Okay, moving on to the pound yen now. Um, it's kind of, I'm expecting this market to be weak, but I was hoping we were going to get a retest of that 139.38. And the way that we're looking to close the week here, unless we get a gap and it moves a bit higher, it's looking like we might not get there at the moment anyway. As you can see here, I was hoping we'd keep extending higher to that 139.50, but obviously on Friday, dollar yen and pound dollar turned weak on the back of the NFP number. So that's really dragged down this pound yen now. Unless we go above 133.19 for tomorrow's close, that's Monday's close, then we're not going to complete the TDF, the TD sell setup either. So yeah, if we do go below that 133.19, that setup will be cancelled. So it kind of puts everything a wee bit more into doubt. Getting involved to the short side. Obviously this is quite a bearish development here on this pair. So we could just see it sort of go lower from here. Final thrust support level there at 133.19. 133.19. But again, it's one of those kind of tight closes, and obviously I prefer to see a bit more room between the close and even the high of the previous candle. So we have taken out that 133.19, so that would be minor resistance going into this week, and I think the main confirmation will come by removing this 132.65 level again, which is basically the support level, which wasn't tested after it was removed, and it's still not been removed to the close, so we could just see a bounce from here, but we've got some sort of tight levels in here though. So yeah, it's not quite sort of panning out how I hoped it would. I hope we just keep going higher to that 139, but like I said in one of the previous videos, we do still have 3.5 weeks left of this month, so we could still have an up week, a couple of up weeks followed by a big down week to close out the month. In terms of the weekly chart, obviously we're bearish, and just basically now I think waiting for a close below this TDST support at 129.59. If we get a weekly close below there, I think that's it. I think we'll continue on down to the 100, firstly the 109, and then down towards the 100 level, and eventually even that 76 is not looking too good for this pair. Really, I would say. On the daily chart, we got the second target level there at 102. So plenty of time really to get involved in this pair, but I was just hoping we would make a TD sell setup up and around the TDST resistance level. So at the moment, with the way this is closed, it's not looking like we're going to get that. And yeah, a retest of that 133.19 level is going to be the minor resistance level going into this week. 134.17. Yeah, none of the TDST levels, even on any of these charts, are kind of going in with that level. 133.31 is a 5-minute level there. That's even above there. I don't think there's going to be enough room. So although this is, I would call it a sort of a bearish confirmation, removing this level to the close, but the retest, there's still a risk that we could cover a lot of the bar of this, the body of this bar. So in terms of looking to really trade that, I wouldn't say it's very high probability stuff. Looking at that. So yeah, again with this pair, I think we'll just have to wait and see how we get on the first couple of days of the week, and see also at the open where we open and see. We could still make a bullish thrust bar, 133.19, another 39 pips higher, and we're going to close above last week's high, so that would be a bullish thrust bar. So we'll see how it opens and take it from there on this pair. Okay, cheers.